have joined the two sides of this triangle. This is the top part of the or upper part of the shorts. This one here. This is the bottom part here. So stitch it. You take both sides and make one single crochet. You stitch this portion and cut your yarn. And then you start from upper part of the shorts. You join your yarn in any stitch or any space. This is the space, and make 1 2 chain, count as a first DC, and make one more DC in the same space, 2 chain, go to the next space and make 2 double crochet, then 2 chain, go to the next, make 2 DC, 2 chain, go to the next and make 2 DC. You make 2 DC, 2 chain in the every space of this round, and you make same round 2 to 3 times. In this shorts I have made 1 2 3 lines of the DC stitch, and last one is single crochet, 1 single crochet into the every stitch. You make. I have completed my waist part of the shorts. Here I have made 2 DC, 1 chain, 2 DC, and you can make 2 DC, 2 chain also, and you make 3 row of the same stitch, and then here I am making 1 single crochet in the every single stitch, and then I am starting this is the leg portion of the shorts. Here you attach your yarn in here you attach your yarns. This is the joint of the two side. Here you join your yarn with slip stitch. And make, this is the first space, make 4 double crochet, and then you make 1 single crochet into the between the 2 DC stitch, and then go to the next space and make 4 double crochet. And then you go to the 2 DC stitch between the 2 DC stitch and make 1 single crochet. You repeat same pattern in this round. And you make same design, same pattern the other side of the leg portions. Same, you make same pattern, repeat same pattern. Thank you. I have completed my self stitch on the 2 sides of the shorts. And then you make ribbon. You can use the satin ribbon for this shorts. Here I am making the crochet ribbon, and here this is the tassel, 1 tassel of the yarn. You attach 1 tassel in the one side, only one side of the ribbon. You make this ribbon. Here I am making 60 chains, foundation chains only, and you insert your ribbon. This is the, you fold your shorts and you make here the center part of the shorts, and you insert here your ribbon. This is the very first space. and then you attach another tassel. For tassel you overlap your yarn in your finger and cut the bottom side of the yarn cut it firmly and then you attach it in your ribbon. And your shorts is ready, and you can make this shorts with cotton yarn, and this is very simple and unique pattern for beginners. You can make it. Thank you.